Second one is the diffusion creep. Okay, so diffusion creep is Nabarro, Nabarro, Herring, and Coble creep. This is just another name on the basis of maybe the scientist. Okay, so occurs in at a high temperature. The condition is with a very low stress. So when it occurring, so occurs in a, at a very high temperature condition, but with a very low stress. Okay, so mechanism, atoms diffuse through the lattice volume diffusion. So the atom diffusion occurs in this kind of creep. Okay, so basically here two kind of the Nabarro-Herring and Coble creep. The Nabarro-Herring in atoms diffuse through the lattice, or we can say the volume diffusions. If we talk about the Coble creep, the atom diffusions along the grain boundaries and the grain boundary diffusions. So here in first one we are having the volume diffusion, and in second we are having the grain boundary diffusions. Examples are fine grained ceramics and metals. Examples are metal and ceramics, but ceramics both are having the fine grained. We have fine grain, coarse grain. Okay,